Good morning, children. Welcome back to social class. In the last class, we have seen about Chera Kingdom. Yes or no, children? Yes. So today we are going to see about Chola Kingdom and Pandya Kingdom. Chola Kingdom. Cholas were ruled on the Kaveri River and they kept Urayur as their capital. So Cholas ruled on the Kaveri River and they kept Urayur as their capital. What about Chera Kingdom? Cheras ruled on the Poigai River and they kept Vanji as their capital. Here Cholas ruled on the Kaveri River and kept Urayur as their capital. Here Chola country is known as Cholanadu. As same Cheranadu. Okay. So Chera country is known as Cheranadu. Here Chola country is known as Cholanadu. It is famous for rice. That is, Chola country is famous for rice. And the Chola kingdom was consist of some districts. They are Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. I'll tell you again, children. Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. Here we have the greatest ruler among Cholas was Karigala Cholan, who was also called as Karikal Peruvaladan. Okay, Karikala Cholan is also called as Karikal Peruvaladan. Karikalan took the responsibility, which means he became a king at his early age, that is, in his young age, and he ruled very efficiently. When he was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. Imprisoned means he was kept in jail and that room was set on fire. In that fire accident, his feet burned because of his charred leg, which means because of his burned leg, he was called as Karikalan. Once, Cheras and Pandyas together planned and attacked Karikalan. Finally, Karikalan was the victorious in that battle, in that attack. What is meant by victorious, children? Which means he is the one who won in that battle. And then he built the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. Who built the dam Kallanai, children? Yes, Karikalan built the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The dam still stands strong even after 2000 years of its construction. So the dam is still very strong. Then let's discuss about Pandya kingdom. Pandyas were ruled on the bank of Vaigai river and they kept Madurai as their capital. So Pandyas ruled on the bank of Vaigai river and they kept Madurai as their capital. So tell me about Cheras and Chola kingdom, children. Yes, Cheras ruled on the Poigai river and they kept Vanji as their capital. And then what about Cholas? Cholas ruled on the which river, children? Yes, Kaveri river and they kept Urayur as their capital. Here Pandyas ruled on Vaigai river and they kept Madurai as their capital. Don't confuse yourself, children. We are just comparing and learning. Okay? And the Pandya country consists of some districts. They are Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. I will tell you again, children. Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. And then Pandya country was famous for pearls. Pandya country was famous for pearls. What about Chola Nadu? Chola country is famous for rice. Pandya country is famous for pearls. And the third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. During Pandya's period, the third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. And the most famous kings of Pandya kingdom were Talayalanganathu Seruvendra Pandya Nedunjezhiyan and Pandya Nedunjezhiyan of Silapadikara. We have two famous kings. They are Talayalanganathu Seruvendra Pandya Nedunjezhiyan and Pandya Nedunjezhiyan of Silapadikara. What about Chera kingdom? Yes, in Chera kingdom also we have two famous kings. They are Imayavaramban Neduncheraladan and his son Senguttuvan. In Chola kingdom we have only one famous king, that was Karikala Cholan, and he was also called as Karikal Peruvaladan. Here in Pandya kingdom we have two famous kings. They were Talayalanganathu Seruvendra Pandya Nedunjezhiyan and Pandya Nedunjezhiyan of Silapadikara. When Pandya Nedunjezhiyan was young, he fought, which means he took part in a battle at Talayalanganam, the place called Talayalanganam, against Cheras, Cholas and with Fadilats, which means who has the authority of others. In Tamil, they are known as Kurunila Mannargal. So, Pandya Nedunjezhiyan took part in a battle against Cheras, Cholas and with some feudal lords in the place called Talayalanganam. And he defeated combined force of Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords, which means Pandya Nedunjezhiyan won in that battle. So, he got the title Talayalanganathu Seruvendra Pandya Nedunjezhiyan. Then, we are going to see about the Pandya Nedunjezhiyan of Silapadikara. He happened to prosecute Kovalan. Which means he has to charge Kovalan for a crime and he gave a death sentence to Kovalan. So, Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated, which means she supported to prove her husband's innocence. And when the king realized the truth, he said a Tamil sentence that was Yano Arasan Yane Kalvan Kedugaven Ayul. After saying this, he died. Immediately, his wife Koperundevi also died because of shock. And then the administrative system, which means the ruling system of Pandya kingdom, was clearly told in Madurai Kanji by Mangudi Marudanar. Okay, children, let's have a small recap. So, Chola kingdom. Cholas were ruled on the Kaveri river and their capital was Urayur. Chola country is famous for rice. In Chola, we have one famous king. His name was Karikala Cholan and he was also called as Karikal Peruvaladan. And Chola kingdom was consist of some districts. They are Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. And who built the dam Kallanai, children? Yes, Karigalan built the dam Kallanai. That dam was still stands strong after 2000 years of its construction. Then Pandya kingdom. So Pandyas ruled on the river bank of Vaigai and they kept Madurai as their capital. Pandya kingdom was famous for pearls and the third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. The Pandya country was consist of Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. So in Pandya kingdom we have two famous kings. They were Talayalanganathu Seruvendra Pandya Nedunjahiyan and Pandya Nedunjahiyan of Silapadi Garam. Here we have two Pandya Nedunjahiyan. So Talayalanganathu Pandya Nedunjahiyan was who won the battle at Talayalanganam against Cheras, Cholas and some Featherlads, which means Kurunila Mannargal. And another Pandya Nedunjahiyan took place in Silapadi Garam. Yes, children, have you all understood till this? Chera kingdom, Chola kingdom and Pandya kingdom. Remaining we'll see in our next class. Thank you all. See you.